Welcome back, friends. And if in your phone, when you are turning on your phone, you are getting a message, no SIM detected, no SIM, emergency calls only, then this is a very good video for you. This is going to be a very good video for you. I am going to tell you 10 fixes you should try before going to the repair shop or seeking professional help. So in this video I am going to tell you why this message has come and how will you solve it. So why are the common causes of no SIM card error? This can often be caused by the software issues. You have recently downloaded any software, or outdated or uncontrolled phone softwares may be also one reason. Insufficient storage space may be one reason. Then some devices are not compatible with some SIM cards. So when you are getting this message, don't be irritated. Just go through the entire video till the end. See, the last trick is very important. You should see that. So if you like the video after watching this, please do consider to subscribe this channel. So not wasting much of your time, the very first thing here, you will not see any signal, and you will see no SIM or emergency calls only, anything. First thing you need to check, just remove your SIM from here. Check for any hardware damage. Is your SIM card is good, not damaged? Is any dust particle is there? Just blow some air on that, and after that check SIM tray for any damage. Your SIM tray should be perfect, so that the contacts may contact from your SIM to the motherboard of your mobile is proper, should be proper, no? So check for that. So first thing, this take out the SIM card, check for SIM tray, blow some air, reinstall it, and then check whether signal has come or not. If it has come, then okay. Otherwise, go to the second. Second is just swipe it down, then turn on the flight mode, wait for some time, turn off it, and now see the signal has come or not. If it has come, that is very good. If it has not come, then switch off your mobile and then turn it on. If it is coming, then it is okay. Otherwise, force restart your mobile. First you switch off your mobile. How do you switch off? I think just press the power button for some time. This will come. Just tap the power off button, it will switch off. And when your mobile is switched off, just press the power on button and volume plus button simultaneously for 10 seconds. Then your mobile will enter into the recovery mode. With the help of volume plus and volume minus keys, just select reboot and then reboot the system. If you are this is we call it fast hard restart of your mobile. Just hard restart, and then if you are getting the signal, that is okay. If you are not getting the signal, go to the fifth one, and that is go to the setting and check, go to the connection. This is Samsung A31 mobile. You can find SIM card manager in setting. Here just find in any Android phone SIM card, type SIM card, and it will come. Go to the SIM card manager, and in SIM card manager, here is the SIM card manager. Just tap it and see for it is on or not. If you are using dual SIM mobile, it should be on for both the carriers. Just go back and then see whether signal has come or not. If it has come, that is okay. If it has not come, then this 7. Go back, search for reset, and here in reset network setting, This will reset all network settings, including those for Wi-Fi, mobile data and Bluetooth. Just enter your pattern, and after that your network settings will be resetted to the original one. So after that, check the signal has come or not. If it has come, that is okay. If it has not come, then next method. Please note that by resetting the network, you will lose only the Wi-Fi password, not any other things. If you have done it and it has not come, then again go to the setting and search for apps, and in apps just go and search SIM toolkit. In SIM toolkit, just go to the storage, here clear data, and then clear cache. You should done this. This is very important. That's why I have told you, in the end you will find a good trick. So just do it. Go to the storage, then clear data, clear cache. Go to the memory, here just check it what is happening, then go back, and now just again force restart your mobile phone. After restarting, if you are getting the signal, that is okay. Otherwise you have to factory reset your phone. But how will you do that? Go to the setting, find out reset, then reset factory data reset. All the data will be erased from your phone, Google account, system, app data, setting, all the data. So I will not recommend this. But in emergency situations, just back up all your data, and then if you know how to restore your phone from backup, then only you factory reset your mobile. Otherwise, go to the repair shop and seek professional help. This is all what I wanted to tell you in this video. If you like the video, please do consider to subscribe this channel. Thank you very much.